At the most recent Specialty Equipment Market Association show in Las Vegas, we stopped by to see what was new with from Autoventshade and their parent company, Lund International. And they had plenty of great products on display. New styles of hood deflectors, in-channel window visors, body kits, lamp covers, side steps, cargo management systems, hood scoops, toolboxes, grill covers, windshield visors, bed covers, and molded floor mats were among the items designed to enhance the beauty, function, and durability of whatever kind of vehicle you drive. With Lund International's many decades of experience in providing quality accessory products, you can trust the engineering and design innovation that goes into each and every item they sell. Their Autoventshade division has now been raising auto accessory standards for 70 years, so you know they stand by their lifetime warranties. We'll take a closer look at some of Autoventshades and Lund International's new products in upcoming episodes. In the meantime, you can find out more at autoventshade.com or lundinternational.com. We'll have more from the SEMA Show for you soon.